Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 Profactor 18V Circular Saw Kit delivers professional-grade power, precision, and durability for demanding cutting applications. Engineered with Profactor technology, this saw provides corded performance in a cordless design, making it ideal for contractors, builders, and serious DIYers. With its 7¼ high-speed steel blade, it tackles wood with ease, delivering smooth, accurate cuts every time. This model is track-compatible, allowing you to achieve straight and precise cuts with the addition of an optional guide rail system. The Connected Ready design integrates with the Bosch Toolbox app via optional connectivity module to provide tool feedback, service information, and advanced customization for productivity on the job site. Powered by the included Core 18V8A high-power battery, the circular saw ensures extended runtime and maximum power output. The biturbo brushless motor works seamlessly with the battery to provide efficient energy use, longer tool life, and faster cutting speeds. Its ergonomic design with an adjustable depth and bevel capacity gives you flexibility for a wide range of projects, from framing to finish work. Compact, lightweight, and cordless, this saw enhances mobility without compromising performance. The multicolor design adds a professional look, while its battery-powered system eliminates the hassle of cords and outlets. Perfect for woodworking professionals who demand reliability and precision, the Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 Profactor Circular Saw Kit is built to handle the toughest job site conditions. Number 2. Skil 15-amp Corded Circular Saw. The Skil 5280-2001 15-amp 7¼ circular saw is designed to deliver precision, power, and reliability for both DIY projects and professional jobs. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, this saw provides the cutting strength needed to tackle tough materials with ease, making it perfect for woodworking, framing, and general construction tasks. The included 24-tooth carbide blade ensures smooth and accurate cuts, while the 0.4 mm thickness delivers clean results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this saw is the single-beam laser guide, which projects a clear line onto the work surface, helping you achieve precise, straight cuts every time. The integrated dust blower keeps your cut line free of debris for enhanced visibility and accuracy. With an impressive 51 degrees bevel capacity and positive stop at 45 degrees, it provides flexibility for angled cuts, giving you more versatility on the job site or in the workshop. The Skil 5280-2001 is also designed with user comfort and safety in mind. Weighing only 8.7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its ergonomic handles improve control, while the safety lock/guard prevents accidental starts. With durable construction, compact dimensions, 8.75-inch LX 10.75W, and a powerful motor, this saw is built to deliver dependable results project after project. Whether you're a homeowner tackling renovations or a professional seeking a reliable cutting tool, the Skil 15-amp circular saw with laser guide is an excellent choice for accurate, efficient cutting. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Cordless Circular Saw. The DeWalt DCS 573B 20V Max 7¼ circular saw * is engineered for professionals and serious DIYers who demand power, precision, and efficiency in a cordless tool. Featuring FlexVolt Advantage technology, this saw automatically recognizes when a FlexVolt battery is attached, delivering up to 77% more power for tougher applications. Its high-speed steel blade ensures clean and accurate cuts on wood and other common building materials, making it ideal for framing, remodeling, and carpentry projects. Powered by a brushless motor, this saw offers enhanced performance, longer runtime, and increased durability compared to traditional brushed motors. The cordless design provides freedom of movement on the job site without sacrificing power, while the 20V Max system compatibility * ensures it works seamlessly with your existing DeWalt batteries and chargers, sold separately. The DCS573B is designed with user convenience and accuracy in mind. It features a bright LED work light to improve visibility in low-light conditions, a 57 degrees bevel capacity with stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees for versatile angled cuts, and an ergonomic handle for comfort and control during extended use. The saw also includes an electronic brake that quickly stops the blade for added safety. Finished in DeWalt's iconic yellow and black design, the circular saw is built tough to withstand demanding work sites. Compact, powerful, and versatile, the DeWalt DCS573B brushless circular saw with flex bolt advantage is the ultimate cordless solution for high-performance cutting. Number 4. Metabo-HPT 60V Cordless Circular Saw. The Metabo-HPT 36V Cordless 7.1/4 rear handle circular saw is built to deliver professional-grade performance with the freedom of cordless convenience. Designed for demanding job site applications, this saw combines power, precision, and portability to handle a wide range of cutting tasks. Its high-speed steel blade is optimized for wood, providing clean, accurate cuts on framing lumber, plywood, and sheet goods. Engineered with multi-volt technology, this circular saw offers the versatility to run on a 36V battery or an AC adapter for unlimited runtime when needed. With the ability to deliver up to 500 cuts per charge, it ensures maximum productivity without constant interruptions. Despite its robust power, the saw remains incredibly lightweight at just 8.2 pounds, reducing user fatigue and making it easy to maneuver during extended use. The rear handle design offers superior balance and control, particularly for rip cuts and long, straight lines. With a bevel capacity up to 53 degrees, including positive stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees, this saw provides flexibility for angled cuts and precision framing work. Safety and efficiency are further enhanced with an electric brake that quickly stops the blade after releasing the trigger. Finished in Metabo-HPT's signature green color, this cordless circular saw is both durable and ergonomic, designed to withstand tough job site conditions. Whether you're a professional contractor or an advanced DIY enthusiast, the Metabo-HPT 36V rear handle circular saw is a reliable cutting solution built for speed, power, and convenience. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max * Circular Saw. The DeWalt DCS565P120V Max 6-1/2-inch circular saw kit * is a compact yet powerful cutting solution designed for professionals and DIY users who need precision and performance in a portable package. Powered by DeWalt's trusted 20V Max battery system *, this saw delivers reliable cutting power for framing, crosscuts, rip cuts, and finish carpentry. The included 20V Max 5.0Ah battery and charger * ensure you're ready to work straight out of the box with long-lasting runtime and quick recharge capability. Built with a brushless motor, this saw provides enhanced efficiency, longer motor life, and consistent power for demanding tasks. The 6.5-inch high-speed steel blade easily cuts through wood with accuracy and speed, while the 50 degrees bevel capacity allows for a wide range of angled cuts, making it versatile for various applications. Designed for user comfort and control, the DCS565P1 is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The bright LED light improves visibility in low-light work areas, while the integrated dust blower keeps cut lines clear for precise, clean results. Safety is enhanced with an electronic brake that quickly stops the blade after releasing the trigger. Finished in DeWalt's classic multicolor black and yellow design, the circular saw is durable enough to withstand tough job site conditions while offering cordless convenience. With its combination of power, portability, and efficiency, the DeWalt 20V Max * circular saw kit is a must-have tool for woodworkers, contractors, and serious DIYers alike.